Are you looking for the best watch press in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best watch press that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, HappyByWatch Repair Tools Watch Press 20 Dies. The number of dies in the set will determine the versatility of the repair tool set. This set comes with up to 20 sets of dies, which suits it for most types of watch models. Besides this, they are built from durable quality steel and aluminum alloy materials, which will serve longer and better. That said, the unit has a simple, easy-to-use design, making the operation a breeze. To add more, the watch repair tool is recommended for waterproof watch cases plus resistance to oxidation, rust, and corrosion. It is convenient to operate since it applies pressure by screwing the top handle. The base of the watch is very sturdy and stable, making it an ideal selection for your professional and home watch repair. At number 4, Ohuhu Watch Press Set 12 Dies. Ohuhu Watch Press is a complete set you will need for the repair of your watches. This set will provide you with all the tools needed, plus comes with 12 fitting dies ranging from 24mm to 42mm, hence suitable for all sizes of watches. Again, the products are built from highly durable ABS plastic material to prevent them from rust and corrosion. You will get the perfect tools for the replacement of snap-back cases and crystals. To add more, it aids with the snap-on, off of watches without the need of risking a clamp that is likely to cause damage to the watch. Still, it comes with a cleaning cloth for convenience. At number 3, BYNIIUR Watch Repair Kit with Watch Case Opener. Here is a nice pick of a watch press you may consider for your watch repair needs. The unit comes with a total of 155 pieces of tools you will need for both professional and home watch repair. Besides this, the press comes with an extra-large watch wrench case opener, which is adjustable to 55mm to suit all sizes of watches. That said, they are built from high-quality solid 304 stainless steel material to guarantee extended use and stability. Neatly packed in a carrying case, you get to conveniently carry and store the tools. Still, they are highly versatile tools for most repair demands. Despite the different tools available in the pack, you get it at a cost-effective price to suit your budget. At number 2, Vaster Watch Repair Tool Set with Bandlink. Featuring an adjustable new case opener, this product is ideal for watches of up to 52mm. Because of this, you will get an awesome option for watchmakers plus regular and oversized watches. Second to this, the pack comes with up to 151 pieces that will serve better and longer for most watches. Also, they are neatly packed in quality nylon carrying case for easy portability and storage. They are built from high-quality solid material to guarantee prolonged use and stability. These tools are ergonomically designed for comfortable, simple use. At number 1, ONEBOM Watch Tool Set Watch Repair Kit. Here is a complete set of a watch repair kit you may consider for your watch. The unit is equipped with a total of 12 dies to perfectly fit a variety of watch models ranging from 50/48 of a millimeter to 20/18 of a millimeter, hence a reliable set to try out. To add more, they are carefully crafted from the best quality durable stainless steel and covered in protective plastic to keep them safe from marks and scratches. That said, it features a spring-loaded arm that will keep the press in its open position. Additionally, the unit has a total of 4 pieces of blades, making it a breeze to open and close. Also, the set comes with a tweezer that allows for simple removal of the battery plus aids in handling multiple problems. The unit also offers you a microfiber cloth to place under the watch to prevent scratches. Due to this, you will find it an awesome pack for your watch repair. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will back to you as soon as possible.